Hi, I'm Ben Nelson. I'm a project manager with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers St. Paul District. Today we're at Wilcox Landing at Robinson Lake near Wabasha, Minnesota. We're here for the Lower Pool 4 Big Lake Habitat Rehabilitation and Enhancement Project as part of the Upper Mississippi River Restoration Program. We're out here today with our partners at the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, Wisconsin Department of Natural Resources, and Minnesota Department of Natural Resources.
This project will be constructed on the National Wildlife Refuge, so it would become lands, part of the lands that we manage. We'll be responsible for it.
So our role in the project is trying to use our long-term resource monitoring data. So we have 30 years of fish, vegetation, and water quality data right in the project area, and trying to figure out how we can use that data to inform each REP project.
The benefits that this project will ultimately provide are benefits to citizens of Minnesota and Wisconsin. So then the states join in, and the Corps has their facilitation role, but also bringing their expertise to the table.
We're in the early planning phases of the project and just out here today to take a look at some of the sloughs and habitat and get some ideas on some island building and other habitat features that we might want to do. Right now we're in the feasibility phase of the study, and we hope to have a recommended plan by the spring of 2023.
Long-term end goal would be to improve the habitat. And the habitat can mean many different things, but for us out here at Big Lake, it means restoring islands that have been lost, the forest habitat that's been lost due to erosion over the years, making sure we keep the great vegetation that's out there now. The vegetation is very important for migratory waterfowl.
The project will create and restore floodplain forest habitat, overwintering fish habitat, flowing channel and shoreline protection.
The fact that UMRR is still going strong after since establishment in 1986 is a huge credit to everybody's commitment and the partnership. It's one thing that the public and all the agencies should be proud of